Hi, hello, namaste, namaskaram, vanakkam. This is Gayatri and you're watching me on Vadapav Sambar channel. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great, staying safe, staying home. As India is planning to, lift few restrictions regarding lockdown, at least in some parts of the country, and many countries around the world are also getting used to this new normal and trying to get back to their normal lives. I thought, why not let's talk about what we learned in this whole lockdown episode. So these are my observations or takeaways from this whole lockdown episode. So first is work from home. So whoever complained that coordination is difficult when you're working from home, whoever said that it's difficult to communicate, people will not be productive, so all those things are just not true. So work from home requires a lot of dedication and you need to be a lot of disciplined. At the same time, though we all enjoy doing work from home, we are all human beings and human beings are social beings. So whenever we go to office, we have that human flavor. We get to talk to people face to face, so that actually makes up our mood, and that's kind of socializing we do even in offices. So for the last 90 days, what happened was we were just restricting ourselves to home and we missed all those things. That even though people like to do work from home, it's equally important that they do have a social life where they can socialize with people. We all want to go out. Second is, people are way too creative than they think they actually are. This lockdown gave a good amount of time for everyone to explore their creative side. We had so much of time in this lockdown. Everyone was able to do some creative stuff. So that can be painting and drawing, that can be something related to cooking and baking, it can be people doing interior decoration, people creating digital content, so much of creative stuff. And every stuff you see probably is having its own uniqueness, different taste. Everything is so good. So people are way too creative. It's just that we never got a chance to explore that creative side of ours. So this was a very good time when we actually were able to see the creative side of our own and appreciate the creative side which we have. Third point, probably this is a little controversial kind of point, but this is what I believe and that's what I observed as well. It's family and money which gives us happiness. To be actually very happy and to lead a life peacefully, we need money. There is nothing which we are going to get free in this world. So obviously we need some money. It doesn't mean that we need to be super rich to lead a happy life, or it doesn't mean that you need to always run behind money to lead a happy life. No, we all are very blessed that we never had this kind of money issues probably in this lockdown. But people, especially the daily wages, they were just praying that okay, this whole lockdown should get over so that they can go and work, where we on the other side were enjoying our family time. We were able to get food what we want because we were able to afford it, but those people were not, and they were not happy. So money, family, both, if it is there, then only it's happiness. Fourth, necessity teaches you a very good lesson. So when this lockdown started, even the food delivery servicing apps were not fully operative. So everyone, especially people who were relying on food delivery services apps for their daily food, they all started to learn cooking. Even this brings to another point that everyone in the home can cook and they all can cook equally tasty food. The next thing is we all started doing is helping in home chores. Because we were not having anything to do, we eventually ended up doing something which we should all have done long before, helping our moms. Now since we had so much of time, people started concentrating on their own health and they all started working out at home. And people who always complained that they don't have time, now there was no excuse for them, so it's again a plus thing. It was a necessity to make ourselves busy, which eventually made us to do all these things, that can be cooking, that can be helping mom at home, that can be even working out. Fifth, it's important to maintain relationships. During this lockdown, we all got a lot of chance to do a lot of video calls with many of our relatives, friends, cousins, and probably all those people with whom we spoke so many months back or probably years back. So this was a good time to connect with all those people, and with every video call or with every call we just realized that, oh my god, this is what I missed all these days. I should have kept in touch with so and so people all these days as well. So this is a kind of realization which we all had, that relationships are very important and we should all maintain it with really love and care. Sixth, living with minimum things and getting adjusted. I'm not sure how many of you would have seen my cooking videos, but in my cooking videos I told that these are the things available at my home and I am going to cook with the things whatever are available at my home. But I told that if you have other ingredients as well, then do add them as well. But you can still cook with whatever ingredients you have. And this brings to the next point, that because of this lockdown we all learned planning. Today if I go and buy a vegetable, I have to make sure that okay, for the next 10 days I'm not going to step out, so I have to use these vegetables very judiciously. Because we couldn't step out frequently, what we ended up doing is we stopped buying all the junk food items. Second thing is we all stopped buying those unnecessary things which we just buy it and probably are never going to use it again. And since we stopped buying all these unnecessary items, we started saving money, and that's a total plus. Seventh, social media and OTT platforms are not enough. So as much as content they have it, we as human beings cannot watch that content continuously for days together. Probably you can do it like for a day, 2 days, 3 days, or max 1 week you can continuously watch the content on these platforms. But after that, for certain, you cannot. Social media and OTT platforms are meant for our entertainment purpose, but they cannot be like the only task which we will be doing in our whole day-to-day kind of activities. When this lockdown started, many of us would have thought that okay, today or I'll just watch Amazon Prime. That's all fine for just few days, but after that, that cannot be our lifestyle. We will get bored. Eighth, and probably the most interesting and important one, is we started to think about others. All these days we have been very selfish, thinking about what I want, what I should do, how I should get it. But for the first time, we started thinking about others. We always prayed that the person who is residing next to me, my neighbors, he or she should never ever get coronavirus, because if he or she is infected, there are high probability, high chances that I'll also get infected. First time we started praying for the well-being of others, and that's so damn good thing. So these are my 8 observations or takeaways from this whole lockdown episode. And when it comes to me personally, I had a very good chance to spend a very good quality time with my husband, and what I understood is that it's okay to fight with your spouse, but what is more important is that how quickly you resolve the fight. And now, because we have to face each other like almost 24 hours, we couldn't stay in that anger zone or no talk zone for longer, and we actually ended up resolving it very quicker. So that was the lesson I learned. So that's it, guys. I hope you all guys like this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up. Also share it with your close friends, relatives, and let me know in comment section below what were your observations, what were your takeaways from this whole lockdown. And don't forget to subscribe to Vada Pav Sambar channel. I'll come up with a new video very soon. Until then, bye bye and stay safe.
Vada pav, garam garam vada pav.